Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, come over to this website, paste it over here and click on generate. And step number 3, you can get paid money online for this incredibly viral niche. Now you don't need a camera for this, and you don't even need any type of following whatsoever on social media. I'm going to show you how to do this without creating any single piece of content yourself. All you need is the ability to copy this link on either your mobile phone or PC, then come over to this website where we will paste this exact link and click on generate. Now both of these platforms are 100% for free, and anyone can do this and make money online. In fact, every single second of this video is bringing you closer to making a full-time income online utilizing TikTok without creating any content. I suggest paying close attention and watching this video all the way to the end so you guys can have a clear understanding on how this strategy works. Now I've laid out this strategy into very simple steps you can follow, so right after watching this video you can go out there and start making money. Now before I hop into my computer, I have one favor, and that is to smash that like button below this video and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me motivated to create awesome content just like this for you guys and test out the latest strategies. Alright, so I'm in my TikTok right now and I'm going to show you how this strategy works. So anyone can do this, as I mentioned, whether you have a 9-to-5 job or you're a student, anyone can do this, and these types of videos take like 10 or 15 minutes per day to create. So guys, with just an extra 15 minutes per day, you can have a side hustle that can generate extra income for you every single month, or it can potentially make you enough money so you can quit your 9-to-5 job. So I'm going to show you how this entire strategy works and how we're going to be utilizing TikTok to make money online. Now, as you can see, the Inspiration Daily, this is a TikTok account that has 33,000 followers, and as you can see, the views that they generate is absolutely mind-blowing. So for example, 400,000 views on this video, 12,000 views here, 75,000 views on this video, 68,000. So they even get more views than they have followers, right? Now they're getting more views than they have followers is because the TikTok algorithm is pushing these types of videos out there. So once you get the ball rolling and stay consistent with this method, you're gonna see similar results. All you need to do is stay consistent. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos yourself without creating the content, without showing your face, without recording your voice, with just an extra 15 minutes per day. So let's watch one of these videos together, and I'm going to show you guys what these videos are all about. So this is a motivational account, right? Inspiration. So now let's take a look at this one. This one is 7 seconds. So don't worry if you're not where you want to be. Great things take time. Just remember that. So these are motivational videos, motivational quotes. And I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos for your TikTok account and drive thousands of website visitors to your website. And I'm going to show you what type of products to promote as well. So guys, another example would be Unite Hustle. So this account has 355,000 followers and they post motivational videos from interviews. So they basically take snippets from famous interviews for, like, this is Nipsey Hussle, right? This is David Goggins. So they take snippets, right? And they upload it to their TikTok. And as you can see, they are posting every single day. This one is 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 5 days ago, 10th of October. So they're posting almost every single day. And this is just to show you that they are making money, right? They're making money because they are posting daily. If they weren't making money, they wouldn't be posting TikToks. And as you can see, link in bio to start making money. And when you click on the link in the bio, let me open it. This is some type of affiliate offer or their own product. So they are promoting a social media and how to grow on social media and how to make money with social media, some type of product, right? So they are creating short form videos just like this. They're not using their face, they're not recording voice. They're basically reposting or creating their own videos just like this and sending people to their bio where they are selling products. And I'm going to show you how to do this exactly step by step. So now to find motivational quotes that we're going to put in these videos, head over to pinterest.com and search for motivational quotes for success, all right, or something like this. And as you can see, here we can see a list of quotes that we can directly use. So for example, A little progress each day adds up to big results. Type yes if you agree. So this awesome quote can potentially get us thousands of views on our video. So we can use this for this example. So now head over to pixabay.com, and this is the website where we're gonna get our free video from. So when you head over to the search bar, you can search something like see view, okay? Something like this. And now click on videos. And now as you can see, there are multiple videos that we can choose from. For example, this one. All right, click on download. Now that we have the motivational quote and the background video, head over to canva.com. This is a free tool that we can use to build our video. So search mobile video template and click on the first one. It doesn't really matter, we're gonna be deleting it. And also this tool will give you free videos and images to use. So for example, I'm gonna delete this, all right? And as you can see, templates up here, or you can click on photos and you can search for see view, all right? And they also have hundreds of images, stock free videos that you can use. So you have two options. You can directly get them from Canva or go to Pixabay. You can also search in the templates tab. So for example, see view once again. And as you can see, this is a video that we can directly use. So when you click on play, this is what it looks like. So this is awesome. So you can either download a video from Pixabay or use it directly from Canva. So I'm gonna use the video that Canva gives me for free just to show you how easy this is. So here is our text, all right? So we can directly edit this template. All I have to do is double click on it, go back to Pinterest, and as you can see, a little progress each day adds up to big results. So a little progress each day adds up to big results, just like this. So now I can change the font up here, okay? So as you can see, I can change it to Gara Extra Bold, or I can change it to Anton. So basically choose a font that you like. So I'm gonna do Poppins. This is the one I use a lot. Poppins Extra Bold. I'm gonna make it bigger. Let's do 100. All right. So a little progress each day adds up to big results. I'm gonna do 90. Now I can add a background square, just like this, to make the text stand out. Or I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna put the text in the back just like this. I'm gonna put it black, and now I'm gonna put the transparency to, let's just say 50. I'm gonna bring it backwards, so send backward. And as you can see, this looks awesome. I'm gonna change the line height to 1.5. All right, awesome. Now I can also put these words into different colors. So let's just see in the Pinterest, so progress and big. So I can do that as well. So as you can see, I can just hover over the text. I wanna change the color, click on orange, big results. This is also orange. So I'm gonna do this. All right, that looks perfect. So a little progress each day adds up to big results. And I can also animate this text. So I can click on it, all right, click on typewriter up here. And as you can see, you can change it to rise or pan or wipe, pop, or typewriter. All right, I can do typewriter. And as you can see, when I click on play, a little progress each day adds up to big results, and the video looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. And also, if you're gonna have a new account, you can also add a call to action. So here it says type yes if you agree. So you can also do that as well if you like. Type yes if you agree. And I can also put this into orange, just like this, and I can make it bold. All right, and I can also put the square in the back. Awesome. So exactly just like this. So when you click on play, this is our awesome looking video. Now we can also change the effect of this. So we can do something like pop, boom, like this. And now we can also add background music. Now to add background music, all you have to do is click on audio, and you can search for any type of music that you like. So if this is motivation, I can do something like motivation. All right, and as you can see, I can do something like this. And I can drag it in there. All right, so now click on it, and you want to drag the sound down so it's not too loud. So maybe something like 25. And now when you click on play, as you can see, this is our awesome looking video with background music. So now all you have to do is click on download, right? Download MP4 video and click on download, and I'm gonna drag it to my desktop. Now there's one more thing that we need to do in order to start making money, and that is monetizing this content. So once you start uploading and getting views, that's good and everything, but you're not gonna be making money because we need to send the traffic somewhere to some type of website that's gonna generate revenue. So that's called monetization. So now what you want to do is head over to clickbank.com. This is an affiliate network that has hundreds of offers in multiple different niches. So I'm going to log in for you guys, and I'm going to show you what type of product you want to put in your bio. So once you're in the affiliate marketplace, up here you can see the categories on the left side. And now we want to choose a product that's going to make us money. Okay, so this is the motivation niche that we are in, the inspiration niche. So we want to promote some type of make money online product. So I'm going to go to ClickBank. I'm going to click on e-business and marketing, or I'm going to click on this entire niche and see what's popular, right? So we can sort these by rank to see what type of products are performing the best on ClickBank right now. And straight off the bat, you can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this is awesome, guys. This is exactly what we're looking for. So when you click on it, right? So this is some type of product. So online social media jobs that pay 25 to 50 bucks per hour. No experience required, work at home. Take this quiz to find out how. All right, so your traffic and the people that click on this link are gonna start the quiz, and at the end, after they answer all the questions, some type of product is gonna pop up, and you're gonna be paid $28 every time somebody makes a purchase. So we're gonna click on promote. All right, so this is my nickname, this is my ID, and tracking ID is TikTok because we're gonna be using TikTok to promote this offer. So this is for our reference, so we know where the leads and sales are coming from. So click on generate the hop link and click on copy. So now head over to linktree.ee, and now we need to create a landing page so we can put this website in our bio, all right? Because we cannot put the affiliate link in the bio because our TikTok account would get banned. So click on add new link. All right, and the title is, we can basically copy the, get paid on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We can copy this inside here. All right, just like that. And the URL, that's the affiliate URL. So TikTok, once again, click on generate and paste it inside here. All right, so this is our landing page. And when you preview in a new tab, you can see Linktree/Damien Black. Now you can start adding this link into your TikTok bio. Whenever somebody clicks on this link, they're gonna be redirected to this affiliate product. When they make a purchase, you're gonna make about $30. So guys, this is how the entire strategy works. Now you need to focus on making videos and uploading content every single day. So as you can see, I've created an awesome looking video in under 10 minutes. So you can do this yourself right after watching this video. Now let's do some quick calculations to give you an idea how much you can make by creating these types of videos. So let's take into consideration that you have a brand new account, okay? And you're gonna be getting about, let's just say 3,000 views per video. So 3,000 views per video is realistic, and let's just say you're gonna be posting one video per day, all right? So times 30. So that's 90,000 views every single month. Now, based on the industry average, about 1% of the people that watch your videos are gonna check out your link that you have in your bio. So let's do multiply by 0.001. That's 1%, that's 900 people. All right, so let's just say 900 people, based on the industry average, check out the actual affiliate offer. And since this is a low ticket offer, about 5% should purchase. All right, this is from my experience by promoting ClickBank products. About 5% of the people on a low ticket offer purchase. So let's multiply this by 0.05. All right, so that's 45 sales. And if you multiply this by 30, you can see, guys, you can make easily $1,300 at least every single month. And that's with a brand new account. So guys, I can't even imagine how much this guy could be making if he had a link in his bio. So a lot of these TikTok accounts are posting videos, but they don't know how to monetize their channel. And this is exactly how you do it. You choose a ClickBank offer, create a landing page, and then send people to that exact link, to that landing page, right? So this one. So guys, as you can see, $1,300 with a new account every single month as a side income is awesome. In my opinion, this is how a lot of affiliates are making money with TikTok, utilizing other people's content. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, I just want to mention that I have a complex affiliate marketing training program with coaching below this video. And if you're someone that's working at a 9-to-5 job, or you're a student and want to make a full-time income online with affiliate marketing just by utilizing your phone and your computer, then it's 100% possible. We already have several success stories from students making money with the strategies that I teach inside the course. So guys, if this is something you're looking for and you want to make a change in your life, you want to quit your job, and if you're a college student and doesn't know what to do, then this is perfect for you. So I'm going to teach you guys how to go from 0 to 10K per month with affiliate marketing. And if you don't want to show your face online, that is okay. And I also have strategies for you. So if you want to make money online, even without showing your face, that's also possible. I too have multiple faceless social media accounts that I promote affiliate offers with. So if you're someone that wants to quit their job and do affiliate marketing full-time, then I'd recommend you checking out my affiliate escape plan training program. It's going to be below this video if you want to check that out. One more time, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.